is. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear the sound. When I turn on the AC, I get like a weird high-pitched whining sound. So this is revving with no AC on. I'm going to click the AC on now and